Greetings. I hope everybody is doing well. My name is Wira Wells, record producer and musician. Today I've brought yet another video on stock plugin VSTs in FL Studio that you can use. So stock plugins are the VSTs that come with the software itself. It can be Logic, it can be Cubase, it can be Ableton Live, Pro Tools. Those plugins that are embedded together with the software when you buy, or they have given you to download separately, but they come together with the software. Those are stock plugins. Alright, so without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So let's look at plugin number 5, because I'm not going to mention many. Plugin number 5. Plugin number 5, this is for drums, right? So most of the time you see me using my samples and stuff because it's just my preference. It does not mean that you cannot create good drums using those VST FL Studio drum plugins. They are there. Let's check it. So this FPC comes with a lot of drum kits. You can see here, all these are drum kits from FPC. All these ones. You can just access them on packs. You just come on packs, on kits, then you have everything. So let's say this one is, you have all these ones. Let's say you want jazz, you want this kind of kit. It's a good drum. The hide. All this, so you can use. And if you are using the old plugin version of FL Studio, when you're purchasing that program, they give you a lot of all those plugins, access to all the plugins, so you can access. Like in my case here, I'm having this pack here. I'm having this expansion here. Separate, they came separately. I just downloaded them separately and loaded them here. All this stuff, you can just have this, but it doesn't matter. Even if you don't have this, you can still use FPC kit. All right, let's get to the sounds. If you want to use good sounds for reggae, I would also recommend you to use, again, instruments here. Instruments. These instruments are very nice. There is jazz, so guitar. You can see these are guitars. All these are guitars. All these guitars, piezo. There's pig nose. There's straight. There is straight pose. There is straight B again. Yeah, it's not a beat making tutorial. I'm just demonstrating how you can use these plugins. Okay, so all these are good sounds for reggae. You can just, and then there is bass. You have all these Ibanez bass, You can see good sounds that you can use. Okay. All right. This is from this section. Let's get to Morphine. Morphine is just fully packed with a lot of good stuff. It's one of the plugins that I use most of the time when I'm making beats on this channel. For tutorials, even for my projects and for clients' projects, I use this. So let's check here. So you can see in Morphine, there are different sections. There is bass sections, very good sound. All these are good sounds for reggae, you see. So that is for bass sections. Let's come to blast winds. So we have these ones. You see this clarinet, very good sounds. Let's check horns. Good sounds. Some kind of blast. You can see, if you have this, definitely this one you don't even need to download it separately. It just comes directly. It's embedded. Once you install FL Studio, it's embedded in the program. You start using it. So that's it. Let's come to the section of keyboards. So you have all these. You have all these. You can see this good sound. See the electric piano, suitcase, very nice. Morphine. Let me not stick there because there are a lot of good stuff here. Let's come to the other plugin that you can use again. There is Kepler. This is a very good plugin which has a lot of synthesizers, right? So let's say some of these are the sounds that you can use when you are making reggae if you wanna. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate in the next video how you can still fuse this. That will be a next video, a reggae beat. Alright, so this one has got a lot of sounds. You can see, you check, you come here, these are the arpeggios, these are the sounds. You come here on basses, you have all these sounds. You can see, so you can use this bass guitar, yeah. So you can see blasts, you have all these. These are synth blasts, they are very good. You see, and then we have the keys section. So all these are keyboards. all these. So all these sounds, you can check, find your time, just browse through, you will see that you are not even lacking anything. Let's check again another Kepler. So there are two, there is Kepler, there is Kepler EXO, this one. Also it has got a lot of good stuff that you can use in this. Oh, you can see all these sounds, basics, let's say. Yeah, so even if it is dancehall, you can use a plugin like this. You can use all these sounds if you wanna. These sounds, you can get them and use them. You just have to come here and find them. All these instruments, strings, keys. Hopscotch. These are good plugins for reggae. You can use, mix them, fuse them, as long as you find enough time to select these sounds properly. Go through. Sound selection about reggae, you already know. You just need good woodwind sounds like flutes, pan flutes, blast sections, different kind of blast sections, good ones, that category, and then mute guitars, acoustic guitars, and then acoustic pianos. From the piano category, acoustic pianos, you are good to go. Okay, let me give you the Dawn. This is another Dawn apart from Morphine. This is another Dawn. This is Flex. Flex is a very good plugin. If you can see like this, I was connected to the internet, so it definitely shows you the plugin and this icon here, plugin and this icon here. It has got a lot of good stuff. Let's say, okay, so let's say you want guitars. See, this is Essential Guitars. There are a lot of good guitars from here. You can see this is acoustic. Good sounds. This is the category of guitars. There are many guitars, guys. Trust me. Up to down here, this. All right. Pianos. All these. piano. Case kind of piano. You can see all these sounds, good sounds. Applied piano, applied electric piano. Then you have the grand piano. Good for reggae. See? Piano, right? Good for reggae. All these good pianos, even there's Yamaha. All right, that's it. Bass, if you want good basses, again, you'll get these basses here, good bass. So these are the best plugins that you can use in FL Studio without getting stressed, like how I don't have plugin this, I don't have third party. Of course, if you have money, yeah, you can go extra mile to purchase those third party VST plugins. It's okay. It's okay. But if you don't have, you don't need to kill yourself. These are good sounds. And in my upcoming tutorial, like what I said, I'm going to hit another one with these plugins, a very good reggae tutorial using these plugins. So stay tuned. This is what I prepared in this particular video. I know there are a number of plugins that you can as well use. Citrus, SimSynth, Poison, Mini Synth, all these you can use these plugins. But in this category of reggae, in most of the time, these ones that I've mentioned will save you and will give you good sound. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, this is what we do, reggae and dancehall. I hope you found this tutorial very good. If so, thank you so much. Leave a comment, like, and even share and subscribe as well, so that we can push the work together. Thank you so much. If you want reggae samples, I'm selling a pack, a very good reggae pack at a very considerable price with everything: drum rolls, reggae kicks, lame shots, hi-hats, everything. Full package. You can get it as long as you want it. I'll leave my email in the comment section below. And if you want production services, we can hit up and give each other good work. Saying, salute, blessed love.